Okay, so this is a demo of the Sprint 1 functionality of the Atlanta Food Finder web application. So this is the home screen where all users will land. Here we've just got some pictures of Atlanta and food, just to make it familiar that this is for Atlanta and to find food here. So we've got a couple of tabs up here, but basically the very starting functionality is that you can search for restaurants using any kind of keywords. So cuisine, type, location, whatever you can put in here. So let's start by doing a Chinese restaurant search, and then you can search by rating or distance. Let's search by rating first. And if we search that, we can see that it gives us all these results. It gives us the price range, the address, phone number, categories, and cuisines, everything you would need for the restaurant. And it organizes them from ratings higher to lower, going down the list. Then let's change it. Let's go Chinese again, but let's organize by distance this time. And you can see how it changes. So it gives us the closest restaurants first, ignoring the ratings. So the rating and distance sorting functionality works well both ways. You can even try it with something else. Let's go Indian. Let's organize by rating. You can see it works. Goes rating higher to lower on Indian food. Now the next thing we can do is we can go into the register tab, so we can register an account. So let's make a username, say CS2340. Let's give it the name CS, last name 2340. Email, we'll just call it cs2340@gmail.com. And then it's going to ask us for a password and for us to confirm it. So let's just put in the same as the username for the password and see what it does. So it says password is too similar to the last name and the password is too short. Also, a user with that username already exists because this is what the username we made in the last demo. So it'll warn you of used usernames. It'll warn you of passwords that are too similar to the username or any of the names or the email, and that is too short. So it'll warn you password is not good enough and if the username already exists. So let's try it the other way. Let's try 2340CS. And then let's just make this ATL food find. And then if we make the password something else for the confirmation, it says the two password fields didn't match, so it catches that as well. So let's actually make it match this time. And there you go, registration successful. So we're able to register an account. And then let's try and log in with that account. If we put in that and we log in, so this, we're logged in, there's the logout button, and then we're going to add personalization functionality into this with favorites and all the other user stories. But yeah, this is where we're at after Sprint 1.